The good news about Jesus has gone to Mark chapter 11 from verse 20 to verse 33. The fig tree dry up. The next morning when Jesus followed them past the fig tree, them see say dry up from the root. Peter remember what Jesus did say to the tree. Then him say, "Teacher, look, the tree where you did say nobody now go ever near from again, it dry up." Jesus tell them say, "Believe in a God. Hear what me I say, and a true me I talk. If nobody say to that mountain here, get up and go fling yourself in the sea. If him really believe in him heart and not start wonder if it really go happen, it will happen for him for true." And that make me I tell you say, anything you pray and ask God for, believe say him give you and you will get it. So anytime you turn up for pray, if you don't have nothing against nobody, you have to pardon them. That way there, when you Father away in heaven, we pardon you for all of the wrong you do. One question about Jesus' power. Jesus and him follower them go back to Jerusalem. When Jesus did a walk in the yard with God house there, the head priest, law teacher, and elder them come to him and ask him, say, "What right you have for do them sin here? And who give the right for do them?" Jesus said to them, say, "Make me ask you one question. Answer me, and me will tell you who give me the right for do them sin here. When John did baptize people, who did send him for do it? God or man?" Them start work it out amongst them one another. You hear them now? If we say a God, him have a ask we say, then woman could never believe him. But if we say a man, them did afraid of the people them. Because the whole of them did think said John and the one prophet. So them said to Jesus, say, "We don't know." So Jesus said to them, say, "Then me not go tell you no who give me the right for do them sitting here neither." And God Wod Dis. Thank God.